Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. If we didn't have bones in our body, we would still manage to move around because it is our muscles that are controlling our bones. But it would be really exhausting to keep ourselves upright, and everything would be moving around in our bag of flesh. Bones give us structure as well as protection for our organs. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts the bones of an animal. This is how the character looks today. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? This character means bone. When used with other characters, it also has the meaning of frame. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. Do you see the main character? The character on the right depicts a knife. In ancient times, it was common to find words or pictures carved into bones and tortoise shells with a knife. This character means carve. In ancient days, the Chinese used to divide one day into 100 ke. So now, this character also means a moment or a quarter of an hour. It is used in these words, 时刻, which means time or moment, and 立刻, which means immediately. It's time to see another character. The character on the left of the main character means word. This character literally means the bones within a word. It is the lesson or point of the words that you should be listening to. This character means should. It is used in this word, 应该, which means must. On to the next one. The character on the left depicts a child wrapped in a blanket. The bones of a growing child can be felt easily under the skin because they still need to gain fat and muscle. This character means child. It is used in this word, 孩子, which means child. Here's the last one. The square that you see on the left depicts an open mouth. Unlike regular breathing, coughing is so hard on the body that it shakes you to the bone. I actually know someone who broke a rib from coughing too hard. This character means cough. It is used in this word, 咳嗽, which means cough. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.